Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smartgym, gym and home workouts app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smartgym is a fitness app designed to help users plan, track, and organize their strength training and home workout routines. Built with a strong focus on customization and equipment-based planning, Smartgym lets you create detailed workout programs, log sets and reps, and track progress over time. It's available on iOS and Apple Watch, and is known for its clean, structured interface that helps users stay consistent at the gym or at home. The app's main feature is its Smart Workout Creator. It lets you build routines based on goals, available equipment, and muscle groups. Smartgym also includes exercise animations, progress charts, and AI-generated workout suggestions. With Apple Watch integration, users can track sets, rest times, and heart rate directly from their wrist, making hands-free training easier during workouts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple layout, accurate progress tracking, and smooth Apple Watch syncing. The ability to store gym equipment lists, organize workouts visually, and review weekly performance helps users stay accountable. Those training at home also benefit from the app's exercise library and personalized routine recommendations. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version is limited, and most advanced features, including AI workout generation, unlimited routines, and detailed analytics, require a subscription. Some users mention that the app is heavily optimized for Apple devices, which means there's no Android version. Additionally, users who prefer guided video workouts may find the app more structured than interactive. In summary, the Smartgym app may be worth using if you want a clean, customizable workout planner with strong Apple Watch integration, easy tracking, and helpful AI-powered routine suggestions. However, if you need video-based coaching, use Android, or prefer fully free fitness tools, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.